Good morning, we're back again, and have we got a story to tell you. So last night we went and we did laundry and we went to Planet Fitness to get a shower in, and we were actually uploading the first video onto our YouTube channel. And I moved closer to the laundromat to get on the laundromat Wi-Fi. Then the laundromat, I guess, turned off their Wi-Fi after a while after closing because the video was taking forever to upload. So anyways, I don't know, some point their Wi-Fi turned off and I was using the hotspot on my phone to load the video, and we had cooked macaroni and cheese, like really nice Cabot, Vermont Cabot shells and cheese. It's actually really tasty, seriously sharp is the flavor of it. But anyways, so we're out there and lights start shining in the window, and turns out the police were there. Now this is the middle of nowhere, Vermont. Well, I guess like kind of, what was the town? Barre or something? B-A-R-R-E, I don't know. Everything is a small town in Vermont. We love that. And so anyways, we get, you know, I get out the front, like into the front cab area, and there's a police officer there. And I opened the door for him so that way like we can talk. And so it turns out he had gotten a report, whatever. We were actually in a handicap spot, and so he told us that we could park there, but we had to, like, in that parking lot, but we had to move to the other side out of this handicap spot. And there's this very concerned citizen there. I don't know if he's like never seen like anybody stay at the laundromat late to upload a video maybe. But so anyways, that's our interesting first van life police encounter. And
he was really nice. I mean, he was talking about his dogs and how we were just married and how long he had been married. So
yeah, he was definitely a nice guy. And so anyways, it all worked out. You know, he just took down like my driver's license information and stuff just to put in his report that he had spoken with me, and we left. And then we slept here for the night. Beautiful views out here, and we're going to a maple farm today, so we get to see how maple syrup's made. And we're here. And this is one of the reasons we came here. They're called maple creamies. Some people think they're just soft serve, but they're not. They're creamier, and they've got this one's got the maple sugar on it and maple syrup inside, so pretty stoked on these. And shortly we're gonna go inside and take a maple sugaring tour, so we get to see how it's made. Well, that was fun, very informative. So they actually evaporate a ton of sap off to make maple syrup, and not all syrup is held to the same standard. How many gallons of sap do they have to?
It takes 40 gallons of sap to make 1 gallon of syrup.
Yeah, so they have to get 40 gallons of sap out of a tree in order to get 1 gallon of syrup. So it's like really heavily concentrated, and there's different colors and different grades of syrup that will show what flavor it's gonna have as well. So pretty interesting stuff. But we're in here making sandwiches now, and then we're gonna get on the road. All right, so Susanna has not been to a covered bridge in Vermont, and so we're taking her to one right now. In fact, it's right here. It's even got like this eagle head on it. Unfortunately, the van is too tall to fit under here. Max height 10'8". Don't want to risk it on that one, so I'm not even sure how high the van is at this point. Well, that was a great success. We got some pictures, a couple of those, which we'll probably post on our Instagram one. We'll pick our best favorite one from there. So if you're not following us on Instagram, it's Andrew MOL11. That's where we're posting our pictures at. So go check that out. And that about brings us up to dinner time. And for dinner, I've made some pasta with some Alfredo sauce and some different seasonings like dill and paprika, and we got some chickpeas in there, Italian seasoning, and we're gonna go ahead and enjoy this and take it for the night here. So pick you up some other time. Good morning, everybody, and what a beautiful day it is. We're parked by this gorgeous reservoir, and today our goal is to make it to a spot that we can actually stay at comfortably and set up camp for like a few days and just kind of hang out there and get some projects done. So to start all that off, we're making waffles this morning. So we are driving to our campsite that we're going to stay at for the next few days, and we come across Otter Creek Fun Center, and they have a pretty bold sign by the side of the road that says the best maple creamies in Vermont. I'm highly suspicious of this, and we're somewhat maple creamy connoisseurs now, so we're gonna go ahead and check this out. Otter Creek, if you're watching, this is the big test. So yeah, let's check this out. All right, so turns out Otter Creek Family Fun Center, best maple creamies in Vermont that we've tasted so far. I don't want to, exclude anybody that we haven't tasted yet, but this is amazing. For all the maple creamy nerds out there, 12% butterfat content, real maple crunch on the outside, not just the sugar. So we're stoked on that. Really, really good maple creamies, definitely worth the stop. Well, unfortunately, all the campsites at the area that we went to are all taken up. So we're kind of just staying by the road tonight. All the ones I should say are taken up that have cell phone signal, and have to have cell phone signal tonight to be able to work a little bit. But anyways, we're out by this beautiful river out here, and we're bringing along some food and a picnic blanket and a cook stove, and we're gonna have date night by the river. Right now, you might be thinking, wow, these guys use a lot of paper plates. Well, what happened was we had some nice plates, and one of them fell out of the cabinet and broke. So now we're searching for a replacement. But until then, we'll just be using the paper. So dinner was good, but we're still hungry. So we're cutting up some veggies right now for a veggie tray. And it's coming up on fall and everything. It is fall right now. So I've got these things, which you put them up to hang a dowel rod in, so that way we can hang our hoodies and everything. And so I've got a piece of wood here, which I cut with a circular saw to make our rod. And so that is gonna hang up right up there. And just like that, we've got it installed. Now we can hang our coats. I want to eventually get a piece of white birch for there, because it would match the cabinets better. And over here, veggie tray is coming along nicely. What did you just put in there?
Dill.
Dill. Dill ranch. Anyways, we're gonna consume this. All right, and we finally found another campsite that we can stay at for a few days. We've got cell phone reception. Just kind of show you around. We got a fire pit set up here too. We've got our table and our Kelty. And we've got, of course, the van. And today we're actually going to take showers in there for the first time. So that's very exciting. We're gonna have to move out our toilet and everything. If you missed it from the van tour video, that's where our toilet sits. So very excited about all of this. And we're actually gonna go mushroom hunting right now because I saw on Instagram a friend of mine from a church that I used to go to a long time ago. He actually found some hen of the woods down in Connecticut, and so we're gonna be out here trying to find some hen of the woods. We watched a YouTube video part way through and pretty confident in identifying it. And you know, if we come across something that we're not so sure about, obviously we're not gonna eat that. But anyways, so that'll probably be in the next vlog. We'll close this out for now. The last vlog, this vlog right here, and the next vlog are all going to be shot with different cameras. The first one's the Sony AX33. This one is the GoPro Hero 9 Black, and the next one is going to be the Canon EOS R. And so go ahead and just let me know which camera quality you like the best, so we can know like what camera to use more of in the future. Anyways, that's a wrap. We'll see you in the next one.